How to generate similar images on Ideogram AI. So first of all, you have to create an account and you have to log in into your Ideogram here. Now enter a detailed prompt describing the image. For example, click the generate button once you enter the prompt here, right? And here, which is just I did here, the prompt was very clear. For example, you can see here flat vector logo of a lion head, minimal by Paul Rand. So Paul Rand is the artist here. And so for example, I like this one, right? And I want to generate similar images. I will just go to remix here and I can change the here. For example, I want the color palette to be something different, so I can just go and choose here magic, right? And I want realistic, so also you can just add a lot of stuff here. You can add more images and images weight and everything, and let's go and click on here remix. Now you have to wait for 30 seconds if you don't have this subscription. Now this is how it look, right? So it's not really perfect, but of course they have used the now this one look really nice. Okay, the color and the shade, it's look really nice. I can just go and keep changing the stuff here. Now I can take this image and I can create similar images to this, right? So this is really interesting. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.